Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a doctor's office. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the clinic. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many times a day should Lily take her medicine? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Ken, I don't feel good this morning. My throat hurts.
Oh, no. Come here. Let me touch your head. You feel hot.
I feel hot and tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
You have a fever, I think. A fever means your body is too warm.
A fever? Really? I hope it's not bad.
Let me check with this. Here, hold it under your arm for a minute.
Okay, how does it look now?
Normal is about 37. Yours is 38. That's a little high.
38, so I really am sick. I feel so weak today.
Don't worry. Let's find a clinic for travelers. There is one near this hotel.
A clinic? But my English is not good. I feel a little scared.
I know that feeling. My first time at a doctor in another country, I was so nervous.
You were? You always look so calm.
I wasn't calm at all. My hands were shaking a little. But then I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned that the people there want to help you. They are kind. They will wait and listen.
Kind and helpful. That's nice to know. I felt so alone with this fever.
You are not alone. I will be right beside you the whole time.
Thank you. So what should I do when we get there?
Just say your symptoms slowly. A symptom is a sign that you are sick.
Symptoms, like my hot body and my sore throat?
Yes, exactly. Your fever and your sore throat are symptoms. Tell the doctor one by one.
One by one, slowly. I think I can do that.
You can. If you speak slowly, they will understand you. I promise.
Okay, I feel a little better now. Thank you, Ken.
Let's get you dressed. Take it easy. We will walk there together.
Together? That helps a lot. Let me get my bag.
Good. Bring your passport, too. They may ask for it. Ready to go?
Ready. Let's go and see the doctor.
Good morning. My friend is not feeling well. Can a doctor see her today?
Good morning. I'm sorry to hear that. What is wrong with her?
She has a fever and a sore throat. It started this morning.
I see. Do you have an appointment with us?
An appointment? No, we don't. We only arrived in this city yesterday.
That's okay. An appointment is a fixed time to see the doctor, but we take walk-ins today.
Walk-ins? What does that mean, please?
A walk-in means you can come without an appointment. You just wait for your turn.
Oh, that's good news. So she can see a doctor today?
Yes. The wait may be short or long, but a doctor will see her.
Thank you so much. What do we need to do first?
First, please fill out this form. Write her name, age, and her problem.
Okay, can I write it for her? She feels very weak right now.
Of course, that's fine. Take your time with the form.
Thank you. Do you need anything else from us?
Yes. May I see her passport and insurance card?
Here is her passport, and here is the insurance card. Is that right?
Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Thank you.
How much will it cost? I want to be ready.
The price depends on your insurance card. I will tell you the exact price later.
Okay, thank you for telling me. We were a little worried about the cost.
I understand. Travel can be expensive, but your health is most important.
That's very kind. Where should she wait now?
Please sit in the waiting room. It's on your right. We will call her name soon.
We will wait there. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Don't worry. She is in good hands here.
That's nice to hear. I'll go and sit with her now.
Please do. I'll bring the form to the nurse for you.
How long will we wait, Ken? I feel a bit nervous again.
I'm not sure. The lady said it could be short or long. Let's just relax.
There are many people here. How will they know it's my turn?
They will call your name, or maybe a number. Just listen for it.
I hope I hear it. My head feels heavy right now.
I'll listen too. Don't worry, we won't miss it. I'm right next to you.
Thank you. Why are some people going in before us? They came after us.
Sometimes the nurse sees very sick people first, so we may wait a little.
Oh, I see. So it's not by time only. That makes sense.
Right. If someone is very sick, they go first. It's fair, really.
It is fair. I would want that too if I were very sick.
Exactly. So a longer wait is a good sign. It means you are not too sick.
That's a nice way to think about it. I feel better knowing that.
One more thing. When they call you, you go in alone.
Alone? Will you come in with me?
I can't go into the room, but I will wait right here.
Okay, so I will talk to the doctor by myself.
Yes, let's practice now so it feels easy. Tell me your symptoms slowly.
Okay, I have a fever, my throat hurts, and I have a cough.
Perfect. That was clear and slow. You said it very well.
A cough. Let me say that again. I have a cough.
Yes, I have a cough. You can point to your throat too if you forget a word.
Oh, that's smart. Point to my throat. I can do that.
See? You are ready now. The doctor will understand you easily.
I feel calmer now. Talking with you helps a lot.
I'm glad. When I was sick in another country, I wished someone was with me.
Were you alone that time?
Yes, I was all alone. That's why I was so nervous. But you have me.
I'm lucky then. Thank you for staying with me.
Always. Now let's just breathe and wait. Your name will come soon.
Okay, I'll listen for it. I think I hear a nurse calling now.
Let's listen together. Stay calm. We're almost there.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is fever, meaning when your body is too warm and hot. For example, she has a fever and feels very hot. The second word is symptom, meaning a sign that shows you are sick. For example, a cough is a symptom of a cold. The third word is appointment, meaning a fixed time to see someone. For example, I have an appointment with the doctor at 3. The fourth word is prescription, meaning a paper from the doctor for medicine. For example, the doctor gave me a prescription. The fifth word is pharmacy, meaning a shop where you buy medicine. For example, I bought my medicine at the pharmacy. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Ken and Lily at the clinic.
Hello. Please come in and sit down here. How are you feeling today?
Hello, not so good. I have a fever and my throat hurts.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check a few things. First, your temperature.
Okay, what should I do?
Just hold this under your tongue. Keep your mouth closed for a moment.
Like this?
Perfect. Yes, just like that. Now let's wait a few seconds.
Is it high?
It says 38, so you do have a fever. Your body is too warm.
Yes, I felt very hot this morning and so tired.
That's a common symptom with a fever. Now let me check your blood pressure.
My blood pressure? How do you do that?
I put this band around your arm. It will feel a little tight. Don't worry.
Okay. Oh, it feels tight on my arm.
Yes, that's normal. It will stop soon. There, all done.
What's the number?
Your blood pressure is 120/80. That's very good.
120/80, is that two numbers?
Yes, a top number and a bottom number. Yours are both healthy.
That's good to hear. I was worried it might be high.
No, it's just right. So your heart is working well. That's one less thing to worry about.
Thank you. That makes me feel calmer. What else do you need?
Please open your mouth wide and say ah for me.
Ah.
Good. Your throat looks red. That's why it hurts. Do you have a cough too?
Yes, I have a cough. It started this morning.
Thank you. So your symptoms are a fever, a sore throat, and a cough. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. I said it slowly, like my friend told me.
That's a good way to do it. Speaking slowly always helps us understand you.
He said the same thing. He was nervous his first time too.
Many people are, but you said it perfectly, so please don't worry.
Thank you. So what happens next?
The doctor will come in very soon. Just rest here for a moment.
Thank you. I feel a little braver now.
You're doing great. Just sit and rest. The doctor is on the way.
Hello, I'm the doctor. The nurse told me a little. How are you feeling?
Hello, I have a fever, my throat hurts, and I have a cough.
Thank you. You explained that very clearly. When did it start?
This morning, I woke up hot and tired. My throat was sore.
I see. Let me look at your throat. Open wide and say ah, please.
Ah.
Yes, it's a little red. Let me listen to your chest now. Breathe slowly.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Breathe in and out. Good. Your chest sounds clear. That's a good sign.
Is it something bad, doctor?
No, don't worry. It's just a cold. A cold is a common small sickness.
Oh, only a cold? I feel so relieved to hear that.
Yes, it's very common. Colds happen often when you travel and get tired.
That makes sense. We walked a lot these past few days.
Your fever and sore throat are normal symptoms of a cold. You'll be fine soon.
That's good news. What should I do to feel better?
Rest a lot and drink water, and I'll give you some medicine to help.
Medicine? Do you have it here?
No, I'll write a prescription, A prescription is a paper for your medicine.
A prescription, so it's a special paper?
Yes. Take this paper to the pharmacy. A pharmacy is a shop for medicine.
The pharmacy. Where do I find one?
There is a pharmacy right next to this clinic. It's very close.
That's easy. Thank you, doctor. I was scared, but I feel calm now.
You did very well. You told me your symptoms slowly and clearly.
My friend told me to speak slowly. He was right.
He gave you good advice. Rest well and you'll feel better in a few days.
Thank you so much. I'll take the paper to the pharmacy now.
Good. Take care of yourself. Feel better soon.
Hello, the doctor gave us this prescription. Can we get the medicine here?
Hello. Yes, of course. Let me see the paper. Thank you.
It's for my friend. She has a cold, a fever, and a sore throat.
I see. This pharmacy has everything she needs. Please wait one moment.
Sure, take your time. Is it a strong medicine?
No, it's not a strong one. It's just for a cold. It will help her rest.
That's good. She was a little scared today.
That's very normal. Many people feel that way in a new country.
Yes, it was all new to her, but the doctor was very kind.
I'm glad to hear that. Okay, here is the medicine.
Thank you. How should she take it?
Take it 2 times a day after food, morning and evening.
2 times a day after food, so not before eating.
Right. Always after food. That is easier on the stomach.
I understand. 2 times a day after food. Got it.
Perfect. You listened very well. Also, she should drink a lot of water.
A lot of water. I'll remind her. How many days should she take it?
For 5 days, like the doctor wrote. If she feels worse, call the clinic.
5 days, like the doctor wrote. Okay, I'll make sure she rests.
Great. And she should rest. No long walks for a day or 2.
No long walks. We were traveling, but rest comes first.
Yes, health comes first. The city will still be here in a few days.
That's true. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Here's the bag. The steps are written on it too.
2 times a day, after food, for 5 days. It's all here. Thank you.
You've got it. I hope your friend feels better very soon.
Thank you so much. I'll go and give this to her now.
Take care. Come back if you have any questions.
I will. Thanks again. Have a good day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many times a day should Lily take her medicine? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.